This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by the Linda Fox-Jarvis team. Beautifully maintained condo in Cypress Point with a great location offering wooded and water reservoir views, very private. Spacious floor plan with 2 bedrooms that share an office space plus master bedroom suite with sitting area. Light and bright kitchen, spacious living space and peaceful balcony. Second floor unit, no upstairs neighbors. 2-car garage plus driveway spaces for additional parking. Open house this Saturday 1/9. For more information, review the details below or contact the Linda Fox-Jarvis team at 757-490-1254.